Hello guys, so good afternoon. Ito meron tayo ditong Chromebook. So this is an Acer Chromebook. So yung gusto mangyari ni customer, gusto niyang gawin itong Windows 10 operating system. Kasi medyo mahirap daw gamitin kapag Chromebook. Okay. So usually kasi kapag Chromebook, ginagamit lang siya more on online. So if you don't have internet connection, so you cannot use this laptop. Ano po? So yun yung nangyayari. Kaya, papakonvert the customer into Windows operating system. So, paano ba yung gawin? So, una yung gawin, shutdown nyo muna yung laptop. Then, after you shut it down, what you need to do is to unscrew those screw. So, sa likod niya, hanapin nyo muna yung i-unprotect nyo muna yung kanyang SSD. Kasi naka-protect yan, naka-write protect. So, i-unprotect nyo muna. Okay, so, ito. In-unscrew ko na siya. So, in this case, in this type of model, yung kanyang unprotect, yung kanyang protection ay nandito. So, nasa mga screw yan. Tingnan nyo na lang guys. For example dito. So, yung mga screw na yan. So, tingnan nyo yung kakaiba. Ito. So, ito yung kakaiba. Then, malapit siya sa SSD. So, ibig sabihin, ito yung unprotect screw niya. So, tinanggal ko na siya. So, ganun lang yung gagawin natin. Then, balik natin to. Then, much better na wag niyo munang ibalik yung screw kasi hindi kayo makakapag what do you mean by that? Hindi kayo makakapag-reprogram. Yan, so medyo magulo yung ating setup kasi wala tayong cellphone holder. Okay, ito, let's go back here. Let us shut down this. Shut down. Alright. Okay, another thing that you need to do is to know the model of this laptop. So, hanapin nyo na lang Acer. So, yung model nito is Acer Chromebook R11 CT738T. Ito yung pinakang ano niya. So, yan. Pag nakita nyo na yan, so tandaan nyo na yung pinakang ano niya, R11. So, punta kayo sa Coolstar. So, search nyo na lang yung coolstar.org.chromebook. Kapag na-search nyo na yan, hanapin nyo lang. Then, eto siya. Eto siya guys. Then, click nyo na yan. Then, eto na yung lalabas. So, after that, select nyo yung Acer brand. Then, yung ano niya. Then, yung kanyang processor. O yung kanyang CPU, which is Acer R11. So, yun, select nyo lang yan. Then, after that, eto, makikita nyo kung applicable to convert this Chromebook into Windows 10 operating system. So, in this case, this Chromebook is really applicable to convert. So, kasi meron siyang developer mode, flash firmware. Ayan siya. So, meron siyang guide. Ito yung susundin natin. Okay. So, what you need to do is to search that into internet. Then, ang sabi dyan, turn off the device, open the back, and remove the right protect screw. So, yan. Then, press escape, plus refresh, plus power. So, gagawin natin yan. Okay, so let's continue. What we need to do is to press escape, plus refresh and power. Yung power button nasa side. So, press nyo lang. Then, mag-on yung unit. Alright. So, ibig sabihin, papasok tayo sa developer mode. So, from this part, so, nasabi dyan, Chrome is missing daw. So, ang gagawin natin, press tayo ng Control D. Control plus D. Ayan. And, press Enter to turn off verification. Enter. To enable developer mode. Enter. Alright. Okay. So, from that, nag-black screen na siya. Magko-control plus D pa din tayo. Control plus D. Control plus D. So, it takes 5 minutes. I think, 10 yan. So nandito na tayo. So, your system is transitioning into developer mode. So, we need to wait at least 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Something like 5 minutes. 5 to 10 minutes. Depending on the speed of your laptop. So, yan yung info niya. Ayan. Your system is transitioning. Then, preparing system for developer mode. Then, papasok tayo mismo sa developer mode. Okay, so let's continue. So, yan. Nakalagay dyan, preparing system for developer mode. This may take a while. So, do not turn your computer off or it has restarted. So, in that case, kailangan nating i-plug in yung ating Chromebook or laptop para pasiguro tayo kasi baka malobat, so magkakaproblema tayo dyan. Right? So, antay lang tayo. Okay. So, let's go back here sa laptop natin. So, kung malinotice nyo, yung, yung model niya, Acer R11. So, yan. So, supported OS. Pwede daw gumamit ng Windows 10 operating system or Windows 11 operating system. So, any of the two pwede natin gamitin para may convert natin siya into Windows. Okay. Sorry. So, this is only Windows 10 supported. No support for Windows 11. Okay. So, supported lang siya ng Windows 10 operating system. Hindi nyo pwedeng i-convert siya into Windows 11 operating system. So, yan yun. Nandiyan naman. So, mali lang yung Akala ko kasi kapag nakalagay dito, so, pwede na or para sila pwede. So, in this case, Windows 10 operating system. Okay. So, still, we are waiting. Ayan. We are waiting. Alright, so yan. Nag-black screen na siya, guys. Then, eto. Then, press Control D. Control D. Right. Okay, so let's get started. Ito na siya. So in this case, select natin yung get started. So pasensya na kung medyo magulo yung ating video kasi wala tayong CP holder. Yan, get started. Then i-connect natin siya into internet. Alright. Okay. Right? So, connect natin. So, connecting, and that's it. So, sabi ko nga sa inyo, yung Chromebook, it is always been connected into internet. Unless otherwise, you cannot use it. So, it is useless without internet connection. Okay, so accept and continue. Checking for updates. So, network not available. Nagkata yung internet connection. So, meron naman tayong internet connection, guys. Ayan. Okay, so let's continue, guys. Dito na tayo. So, in this case, you need to select kung para ba sa'yo or para ba sa anak mo. You can click next. But then, in this case, gamitin lang natin browse as guest na lang tayo. Select natin yan. Browse as guest. Right. So, nandito na tayo. Okay. So, next steps natin. Let's go back to our laptop. Yan, balik tayo dito. So, we need to open a tab and press Ctrl-Alt-T. Yan. So, Ctrl-Alt-T. So, open natin yung cross tab. So, yan yung cross tab. Under cross tab, so type natin yung shell. Shell. Yan, shell. Then, press enter. So, nandito na tayo sa Chrome Chronosol localhost. Yan, Chronosol localhost. So, from that, type natin yung cd colon curl space lo space my Mr. Chromebook.tech. Yan, and so on and so forth hanggang dito. So, ibig sabihin, nandun mismo yung sa CD, ito, yung command na to, nandito yan mismo sa website na to. Kung supported ba yung Chromebook mo na what we call it, i-convert into Windows operating system. So, yan yung gagawin natin. So, in this case, pwede din naman natin i-open to. Ayan, ito. Okay. So, kopyahin natin yan. I-open natin mismo ito. Dito sa Chromebook. Okay. So, i-input ko lang. Alright, so na-input na natin https://coolstar.org/windows-install.html sharp then padamdam. Ano? So, yun. So, let's enter. Okay, so ito na yung sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina, ano? So, ito na. So, pasok muna kayo dito kay coolstar.org.chromebook /chromebook. So, pasok muna kayo dyan sa website na yan, then select niyo kung ano ba yung manufacturer niya. Ano? Select manufacturer. So, this is Acer. And after that, next tayo. Acer, then next. Then, ano ba yung kanyang CPU? So, this is Intel Celeron Asa na ba yun? Sige, balikan natin dito. Ito ay Acer R11. So, Acer R11. Okay. Intel R11. Parang hindi ko na mahanap ah. So this is Acer C. Okay. So ito dapat makita natin dito yung kanyang yung kanyang CPU. So this is an Intel Celeron N3 3150. Intel Celeron 3150. Intel Celeron 3150. So this is Intel Celeron 3150. Okay, 32 bagay. 32. Okay, continue tayo guys. So select manufacturer. So sinelect natin yung Acer. Then ngayon select CPU naman tayo. Yung CPU niya ay Intel Celeron N3150. So yan. Paka-select natin yan. So click next. Then eto na. Pipiliin na natin ano ba yung pinakang model. So this is Acer R11. So since dito this is Acer Chromebook R11. Alright, so let's go back here. So yan. Click natin. Then next. Then lalabas na. Ito na siya. So pareho na yan dito. Ayan. Ayan. Alright. So dito na tayo sa Chromebook natin. So let's focus on this. Alright. So tingnan natin kung mayroong developer mode. Sabi ko nga, sa developer mode, naka-flash and flash firmware. So meron siya. So yan. Ito yung step ginawa na natin kanina. So since nandito tayo sa tab na to, sa Chromebook na to. So yan. So, copy lang natin to. Copy natin to. Bakit hindi siya makopy? Yan, copy. Control C. Then, paste natin siya dito. Then, Control V. Oops. Iba ba yung ano nito?